One of the keys to having a healthy lifestyle for me is having access to pure, great tasting water every single day. I'm Gina with WTI, and just having a plain filter for my water is not enough. I got this reverse osmosis system from VIOMI, and one of the things that sets it apart from other filter systems is that it gives you access to real time numbers via their app. I can check at a glance how many ounces we've dispensed during the day, what status my filters are at. Something else that helps me to drink more water is that this tastes good. And for the 3-to-1 pure to drain ratio, that means I'm not wasting a ton of water. I was a little concerned because when I hadn't used the water for a while, I noticed that the numbers on the TDS would climb. But according to the manufacturer, that's actually normal. It's just due to the rising concentration of minerals because it's been sitting for a little bit. It's not pollutants, so don't worry about that. Installation went easy, everything is really clearly marked, and even though we were dealing with a small area under our sink, the compact size of this filter just made it go really smoothly. Don't waste your time with complicated installations or filter replacements. I recommend getting this system from VIOMI. You will not be sorry. And that's my point of view.